you give it to them and then people will go to Postmates instead or something? That's the point? That's the angle?
Well, I guess the point is that that's a really gross thing that those people got delivered.
Yeah, it's fun. It was fun for him to ask us what that was.
Yeah,
personal?
I don't think it was...
Have you been with me in Martino when that Jeep was there?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, oh my god, I love that car. I would love to have a Jeep like that in as a second car. It's so badass. Zombie apocalypse car. In here, and everything comes out.
The roll bar, I guess.
Yeah, it's legal. Shut the fuck up!
Stupid ass.
Slam the brakes.
I'm gonna piss him off even more right now.
Yeah, he's gonna rear-end you.
Look at him.
He wanted to overtake you?
Yeah.
What an idiot.
He's getting angry. Keep beeping, motherfucker.
Yeah.
Yo, we come out with like a tire iron and a bat. What the fuck?
Yeah.
And we just like beat the shit out of him or something.
What's the sense of beeping? He's not gonna make the light. The car in front of us didn't make it.
Look at this asshole. What's up, man?
You don't put the people like that to me. You don't know me, okay?
Okay.
Don't do that.
So why are you beeping? Relax.
Don't do that. That's my fucking bag, and I do whatever I want.
All right.
So don't fucking do that.
Whatever. And what?
Okay?
And what?
I'm gonna slap your face.
Fuck you.
Okay?
Fuck you, asshole.
Exactly. And he does that, everything's on the camera.
Number one, you're on camera. Number two,
you don't do that.
And
you
what?
don't do that to me. You don't
all right, I don't talk to
me.
you. And what?
Okay?
I was gonna let the other guy go, and you're gonna be an asshole about it? Go fuck yourself, man. Fuck you.
Exactly. Don't do that to me. Who the fuck are you? And you don't do that to me by beeping at me all the time. What is his point?
Yeah, I do.
Is he a fucking president that he's so important? Like, you don't do that to me. And
See,
you can do you. So I.
Dude, no! Fuck you! Fuck you! Come on, man!
Oh no. Oh no. I'm afraid of spaghetti, no.
Oh my god!
सोचा था ट्रक ड्राइवर हूँ, लाइफ मस्त रहेगी, पर कैश डॉलर फ्लक्चुएशन ने नाक में दम कर दिया। क्रेडिट कार्ड लोन पेमेंट्स मैनेज नहीं हो रहे, बिजनेस इतना स्लो हो चुका है कि कर्ज बढ़ता ही जा रहा है।
We were hit. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Wow.
Oh my god. Awesome. That's it.
It's supposed to be in the past, where lust and submissions are a part of our life. Guys, we are passionate. I don't think anybody can say that where they lose the tank. It's not. About that was kind of weird. Cut off the cop. Cut off the cop.
Oh shit! Oh, yeah! Did you see? Dude, what an idiot! What the fuck? He almost fucking hit that guy. He almost hit the cop. Like, wow. Just like right into him. Wow. Good job.
Oh shit, what's that?
fucking serious?